Now, in our previous video, will be shown how to show the image and how to show the our video preview across our editing data. Now we make its how its update works or not, and go to the VS Code and check. I hope that every function will be same, but also check for once again. Go to the VS. Now go to the slider controller, and slider controller, here is our update, and this update is very similar for, look at the category controller, and there's category controller. Here is our update process, and just copy and paste here. This is slider controller, and this is the pass the data and request, not a request, it will be the slider request. Slider request, category service, not category service, it will be the slider service. Slider service update category, and not update category, it will be the update slider. That's it. Update slider request validity request image perfect, and go to the update slider into the service. Okay, fine. And also go to the repository, and the repository will be the same. I hope it will be work. And also make it so our destroy function will be came in here. And once again, and just make it copy, and this is slider, and this is our destroy function, and make put it copy. Well, this is a category and not a category, just put it a slider. Slider, okay. Just put from the slider category image, and here the slider image path category image, and just slider image path PSP slider delete. Actually, you know that this is the unlink process of that existing image will be removed, and this is slider. And go to the above things, so some category created and slider, and go to our browser. Just make keep reload, and then now we just make it to change for another image, and just pick it, and yes, so work, and just update slider. Yes, slider update successfully. Okay, this look at this, and this is the data. I hope that it will be work, and this is our manage slider, and just you make it delete, and yeah, that will be deleted. Okay, thank you so much. The slider process will be complete, and next video will show you this is how to show our actually here actually work on font end, and this is a font end we can put the dynamic data also, as well as was preview and is and etc. Okay, so thank you so much. So let's see our next video. If you like of my videos, please subscribe of my channel, and also put your comment if you liked if you, how this video is going on, and I also response of your comment as soon as possible. Your small contribution and to grow me a lot, and inspire to make new videos. Okay, thank you so much.